Hi, this is Richard from Clean Coast, and we are delighted to be partnered up with First Fortnight for the 2021 festival. This year we're taking a slightly different approach to our sea swimming event.
Throughout the duration of the festival, we are asking people to host socially distanced swims. So wherever you're based, we invite you to go for a dip in the sea and to do a quick beach clean before or after the event. If you are joining us for this year's Sea Swim event, please ensure to follow the Irish Coast Guard and RNLI guidelines on how to swim safely. Always check the weather and understand your local tides, winds and currents. Never swim alone and have someone ashore to call for help if needed. Swim in sheltered areas. Always swim parallel to the shore. Wear a bright coloured swim cap to make sure you are visible. Wearing a wetsuit is advisable to stay warm. Go slow and steady into the water to make sure you acclimatise. Have tons of layers for after you swim to get warmed up. And finally, if in doubt, don't go out.
Many of us undertaking sea dips in the winter months are always shouting about the mental health benefits, and this has been backed up by research.
It's such an invigorating exercise. The supportive community fostered by the shared graw of the Irish coast and the sense of achievement after braving the chilly waters. It's not hard to see why so many of us are always raving about sea swimming. But did you know that the presence of marine litter on our coastline can have a negative impact on our mental health when we visit there? When you undertake a 2-minute beach clean, you're not only helping your mental health, but you're also helping the mental health of others while making a positive impact on your local environment. So remember, please bring along gloves, a bag and hand sanitizer for your beach clean. For more info on how to safely do a beach clean, check out Clean Coast's website.
So that's it from Clean Coast, and remember, be safe and be well, and we look forward to hearing all your stories from this year's festival.